In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana into Make.com. By the end, you'll have a working automation that can create tasks or subtasks in Asana straight from Make, so you can save time and keep your projects in sync. Start by signing into your Make account. On the dashboard, open a fresh canvas by selecting Create a New Scenario, usually in the top right. This opens your visual workflow editor, where each bubble represents a module in your automation. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first module. Search for Asana, then select it from the list. Make will show you a set of actions. Pick the one that fits your goal, such as create a task or a subtask. You can always switch actions later if needed. Before the module can run, connect your Asana account. Next to connection, click Add. Your browser will redirect you to Asana to authorize access. Sign in and approve the permissions, so Make can read and write the resources required by your chosen action. If you are already signed into Asana, the connection may be established automatically, without extra steps. When the window closes, you'll be back in Make, with the connection ready to use. With the connection in place, configure the Asana module. Fill in the fields for the project, the task name, and the assignee. Use the dropdowns where available, so Make pulls the correct project and users from Asana. If your scenario includes previous modules, you can map their outputs into these fields, which makes the automation dynamic and reusable. For example, you might map the task title coming from a form response or another system. Provide as much detail as your process requires and keep optional fields empty if they're not needed. When you're happy with the settings, click OK to save the module. Now test the scenario. Use run or test to execute it once and watch the console to confirm a successful operation. Switch over to Asana to verify that the task or subtask appears in the right project with the expected details. If something fails, double check that your Asana account has access to the selected project and that required fields aren't blank. After validation, set the scenario to run on a schedule so it triggers automatically. Choose a frequency that matches your workflow and save your changes. That's all you need to integrate Asana into Make.com and start automating your task creation.